Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and I would like to do a little review for you, and this is something I'm super excited about this month. I'm going to be reviewing for you the Scentsy Scent and Warmer of the Month for January 2020. And this is what the flyer looks like for this. The warmer of the month is going to be called Himalayan Salt. I'm going to show you that. But first I'm going to tell you a little bit about the scent of the month, which is called Inhale, Exhale. Now if you look in the middle of the flyer, here's sort of a picture of this. This is what the bar looks like. It's a pretty light blue color, perfect for January. And this time, instead of just giving us a scent description, they actually break it down into top notes, mid notes, and base notes, because Scentsy fragrances are generally constructed the way perfumes are. So you have those top notes, the mid notes, and then it's all sort of on that foundation of your base notes. So the top notes in this scent, Inhale, Exhale, are apple, salted citrus, and kiwi. Your mid notes are lily, jasmine, and freesia. And then your base notes are solar woods, musk, and vanilla. So I was very curious about this because that's a wide variety of things, right? You have your floral notes, you have your sort of like woodsy, the musk and the solar woods kind of scents, and then you have your fruity scents too. So I was very curious to see what this smells like. And I will tell you this, I was a little apprehensive, to be honest with you, because floral notes are not my favorite to my own personal preference. And I was a little nervous when I read the scent description on this. But I will tell you, I am very pleasantly surprised by this scent. I definitely get those top notes first. So I get the kiwi and the apple. Not so much the citrus. It's not a very sort of powerful citrus punch. It's just sort of a light, clean, fresh, but a little bit sweet and fruity scent too. It's not overpoweringly sickening sweet or anything like that. It's sort of that light, fresh. I don't get a lot of floral notes in here. I also don't get a lot of the musk, which I must say I'm happy about because I'm not a huge musk fan. So that's something you're really looking for, a powerful punch of musk. You're probably not going to get that, at least in the cold scent. Maybe when we warm it, it'll kind of take on something a little different. But right now, it's more that light, clean. It's not a very super powerful scent. It's not overpowering when I smell it in the cold version here. It's a very nice, clean, relaxing, which I guess makes sense considering it's called Inhale, Exhale, relaxing scent for you. So I'm very, very, very happy with this scent. I cannot wait to put this in my warmer. Speaking of the warmer, let's talk about that next, right? So this is called Himalayan Salt. Let me kind of take it piece by piece because I will tell you, this warmer is by far the heaviest warmer I have ever experienced in Scentsy in the 3 years that I've been a consultant. So let's take it piece by piece and then we'll put it all together for you. So here's our dish, just a clear sort of frosted dish. For this is where your wax is gonna go, okay? Then let's talk about the base. Here is what the base looks like. It's actually a nice wooden base, which is a little different for Scentsy. Typically our bases are sort of like that polymer plastic kind of thing, or metal. So this is a little different. It's a nice pretty wood base, almost like a cherry wood. And then it has a sort of like little styrofoam almost. It's a little foam covering on here and foam on the bottom as well to sort of protect your counter or your surface. It's got a little groove here where it fits the cord. As always, with every Scentsy warmer, we have a toggle switch to turn it off and on. And as you can see, our light bulb is a 25 watt light bulb size. The cool feature with this is that our 25 watt light bulbs, it comes with a clear when you purchase the warmer, but we also have colored light bulbs in our 25 watt size. So you can actually swap this out for a red, an orange, a yellow, or a green light bulb to kind of change the whole entire look of your warmer, which is pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna put this base down for just 1 second, and I'm gonna show you this warmer. Now this is the super heavy part. The other two pieces, not so much. Check this guy out. This is got some weight to it. I should probably weigh this on a scale and I'll try and post it below, but wow, this has some dimension to it. And I will tell you, this is a true salt lamp warmer. So this is a true chunk of Himalayan salt, my friends. This is very, very, very cool. So this definitely has a lot of weight to it. So you're gonna have to watch where you're putting it. You don't want a wobbly surface or anything like that. As you can see, it's carved out on the inside. There's a sort of smaller spot on the bottom. This is gonna be the part that sits down onto our base over our light bulb. And then this wider section here is where our glass dish is gonna fit into. I will tell you that this warmer does come in 2 different colors. This is the pink variety. We also have a white variety. So I wanted the pink because it looks a little bit more natural, and I'll show you when you turn it on, you get some really cool sort of different colors and features when you turn the light bulb on inside. Now, again, this is true salt. So this is carved one by one. This is all handmade for you specifically. So every warmer is gonna look slightly different. So it's really neat to see. Mine is kind of like squared off on one side a little bit, and it's a little more rounded on this side, so you can kind of turn it to whatever side you prefer. We will have some frequently asked questions that I will try and comment a little bit below and share some information with you. You want to be careful to keep these out of the way for your pets, because you don't want pets licking them, because it is true salt. I may or may not have tested that out myself before I came onto camera. Just saying. This really is a true salt warmer. So you are going to get the benefits of the health, or the benefits of the salt warmer, as far as kind of just being a little relaxing. It's got a really nice ambiance behind it. So, and then you're also going to get the fragrance of Scentsy along with it. So it's a win-win situation, really. All right, so here's my base. I'm going to sit my salt warmer down very, very carefully on top. We'll see if I can do this sort of holding it up for you guys. Okay. So here you can kind of see there's my light bulb inside there. This is just going to sit right down onto the base, just like this. And then your little wax tray is going to sit right down on top of there. So here's where you can look at this. You can sort of spin this around. It's very heavy. I'm not going to be able to do it on camera, but you can turn this around. So you can kind of, if there's a side that you prefer, you can certainly do that. This is getting super heavy for me to even hold. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on so you guys can see what it looks like when it's lit up. Let me see if I can focus in there a little better for you guys. I know that it's not the best quality on my phone when I do this, but you can kind of see it does have that pink sort of tone to it, but it's also got those different dimensions when you turn the light on for this, which is really cool for this warmer. And I think at nighttime when you have this on in your bedroom or in a living room or a desk, something like that, it's going to be super relaxing just because of the colors of it, and it's very warm and inviting. So I love this. I can't wait to try and figure out what it's going to look like with some of the colored light bulbs. I'm really excited to be able to experiment with some of those. And I also can't wait to warm my Inhale Exhale scent along with it, because I think it's going to be a really good pairing together with the ambiance and the colors of the warmer mixed with that sort of light, fresh, relaxing scent of the Inhale Exhale. So anyway, I hope you loved my review. If you would like to get your hands on one of these warmers, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you with that. Or if you have a Scentsy consultant already, make sure you contact them to place an order for your warmer, and you want to try that scent as well. All right, I will talk to you next time, my friends. We'll see you later.